Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is June 14, 13 variant question number 11, and we have a parallelogram given here, okay? And we have given two equations. This equation given, and for your knowledge, this is parallel to this, and this is parallel to this, okay? First of all, I think so, how to get A coordinate, because this line and this line, if you extend back, see, I'm extending back. So they are cutting at A. It means for A coordinate, I will solve simply simultaneously two lines. Which line? This and this, solve them simultaneously. So I'm writing here for A. So I'm solving them. I think so, if I substitute, so solve, we can say that y and solve equation of lines AB and AD. So this is a plan of action. So let's start. So this is substituting. This value I've substituted that. So when I 4 times to y equal to x plus 11, in this y I'm going to put this y value 3x. So 4 3s are 12x equal to x plus 11. It comes here, 12x minus x equal to 11. 11x is equal to 11, and x becomes 1. So I think so this idea is very, very clear. So I got the A coordinate x, and I need y coordinate. Put this x value either in this equation or this equation, no problem. I put it there, and 1 into 3 become 3. So we can say that y coordinate is 3 times to 1, so we got a 3. So A coordinate is coming 1, 3, and we have finished first part. Okay, so first part is over and we got it easily. So A coordinates are done, and now I'm going for the next plan. So A coordinate, we have midpoint. You know, for your knowledge, this is a parallelogram, so this is a diagonal there, and diagonals always intersect. So it means this gap equal to this gap. I mean to say this distance A to E and E to C equal. It means, can I say is midpoint? Yes. So use midpoint technique to get C coordinates. So let's say C coordinate is label it PK. Okay, so let's start. How to find C coordinates? So for C, I'm planning midpoint formula. And what's midpoint formula? All are familiar. X1 plus X2 divided by 2. Similarly, I can say y1 plus y2 divided by 2. But I make easy for you. So I make this line for you to make it better understanding. So this, make a line here. Top is C coordinate, middle is E coordinate, and bottom is A coordinate. And for your knowledge, this PK, this is a 13 by 2 and 17 by 2. And this is a clear 1, 3. Although there's no need to make it, but just for your understanding. Okay, so this is for your knowledge, x1 is one corner element, x2 is second corner element. Okay, and this is called midpoint. So 13 by 2 coming in the place of x. And x1 1 and x2 is p. So 1 plus p divided by 2. So this 2 goes there and 2 cancel. So this 2 cancel easily. 13 equal to 1 plus p. And p becomes 12. So I have finished one task. How to find y? The midpoint 17 by 2, this 17 by 2. I'm going to copy here. So 17 by 2 here, and y1 is one corner element, so 3, and k is second corner element, and divide by 2. Again, this 2 goes there, multiply, and 2 cancel. I get 17 equal to 3 plus k. So we got a 14. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. So C coordinate 12, 14. So we have finished 2 tasks very, very easily, and we got the answer too clearly. Now I'm shifting for the next part, and let's see how to deal with the next part. Okay, so let's see how to deal with the next part. So next part is how to get the coordinate of B and D. Okay, it is very clear. This may be a little bit tricky here. So you have to first find, just give a plan. Okay, what is a plan, possible plan for here? So possible plan is either you go for B coordinate or for D coordinate. I can, I think I have one choice. Look, I have C coordinates. Yes, I have C. Find this equation of line and this equation you have already. So how to get B coordinates? Solve them simultaneously. So BC line and AB line. AB we have and BC I'm looking for. So let's go for BC line. So equation of BC line. Equation of BC line. Okay, this is not a hard job. You know this double arrow showing that they are parallel to each other. Okay, if they are parallel to each other, so they have same gradient. And what is this gradient? If you divide 4 there, because y is equal to mx plus c format I need. This divided by 4, 4 goes there. So if 4 goes there, I can show you 4y equal x plus 11. So y equal to 1 by 4x and plus 11 by 4. So what is gradient of this line? This line I'm writing with a red marker. So this gradient is 1 by 4. And this is also gradient 1 by 4. So let's start. So you can say that okay, equation of AD is 4y equal to x plus 11 and y equal to 1. Show working to examiner, even no problem. So we can say that gradient of AD is 1, 4. So as parallel lines, this sign is for parallel. Okay, parallel lines. So gradient of BC is also 1 by 4. So now we have a point of C. Yes. So equation, how to find equation? So equation of BC, what? Y minus y1 m times 2x minus x1. So let's start. C coordinate is y is 14 and gradient of BC is 1 by 4 and x1 is 12. Okay. So 4 goes there. I got a 4y. 4 for 16, 1 carry for 56, x minus 12. So 4y equal to x, and from 56 subtract 12, we got a 44. So we got a 44, yes, so we have done equation of BC we have now. And what's the plan of action? So solve them simultaneously, okay. Okay, no problem. I'm going to solve them simultaneously, okay. So let's have a look here how I can handle equation of the, okay, all right, now his camera is fixed, okay. All right, so let's start. How to handle the part. So this equation of the line and AB, so solve lines AB and BC. So I have already, what is line of AB? Y equal to 3x. What is the line BC? 4y equal to x plus 44. So can I just replace this y value here? Why not? So I got 12, 3 4s are 2, wait a minute, 3 4s are 12, x. Okay, x goes there, I got 11x. And I am getting 4. When I got a 4 and this value I can put it even there. So what y is equal to 12. So what I'm getting, that B coordinate is coming 4 comma 12. And now one last part left. And what is that? D part left, D coordinate. And you know very well how to deal D coordinate. So use midpoint technique. So use midpoint technique, and formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And for your knowledge, if you look at carefully, that E is a midpoint. So midpoint coordinates are coming here. So 13 by 2 comes here and 17 by 2 comes here. And now think left, what is the coordinate of AD? So I assume D coordinates like a LM, okay? I assume D coordinates like a LM. So wait a minute please. Okay, I assume D coordinate as a LM.